What will the future of home buying and selling look like? Imagine a scenario where buyers and sellers interact directly, transforming the traditional role of real estate agents. Technology is paving the way for this shift, with online platforms like Zillow, Redfin, Homes.com, My Home, My Sale, and social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram becoming the new marketplace for real estate listings. From understanding drafting contracts to navigating the escrow period, buyers are becoming increasingly self-reliant. So, you see, the future of real estate might be changing more than you think. Traditionally, real estate agents have been the go-to professionals for buying or selling a home. But how might this change in the near future? Let's paint a picture. In the past, agents were the gatekeepers of the real estate market, guiding every step of the process. Fast forward to the future, and we may see a different scene. Homebuyers are tech-savvy and research-driven, often finding their dream homes online before even speaking with an agent. They might decide they only need an agent for specific tasks like drafting contracts or arranging home viewings. Similarly, sellers might not depend solely on agents anymore. Armed with online resources and industry professionals that are happy to help, home sellers can easily list their homes on several online platforms for free with a few clicks. Also, they might decide to just hire an attorney for the paperwork, or work directly with a local escrow and title company to help close the deal. The future could be a world where agents are valuable consultants, not indispensable intermediaries. As the real estate landscape changes, so too might the roles of those involved. To sum up, the future of home buying and selling could look quite different from the traditional model we're used to. We've pondered a scenario where home buyers and sellers collaborate directly, empowered by technology and online resources. In this potential future, the role of agents could morph into a more consultative one, on an as-needed basis. Also, the ongoing discourse about real estate commissions and lawsuits may well steer this shift in the industry. The future of real estate might be closer than we think, and it's an exciting prospect for homebuyers and sellers alike.